guys, hi ladies, welcome to this video. My name is Bernice and I am a Nigerian currently in the UK, and this video is a simple 3-minute how-to video to get your passport in the UK, your Nigerian passport to be precise. If you're a British born that is trying to get a passport, or if you're trying to renew your passport that has been expired, lost, or damaged, you want it to come to you. You just want to spend one day going to the embassy and your passport comes to you delivered straight to your house in this package. Okay, so this is my new passport, as you can see, and this is the old one. My old passport basically just expired. Now I'm going to go through the steps very fast because I already have a 7-minute and 30-minute video on the step-by-step guide on how to do this. Now the application process is divided into two. There's the online process and the going to the embassy to submit and get your biometrics taken. So the first thing you want to have is your NIN number, your national insurance number. I'm going to leave a description in the link on how to process and get this done. The next thing you want to do is go to the post office and get a postal order of £20 and this C4 delivery package. The next thing you want to do is set up your computer, your workspace at home or at the office, and make sure you have a printer by the side so that you can print out every form that you fill online. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is start the online application by going to the official website for Nigeria. I will leave a link as well, and you click that link and you go and fill the application form that you want, if it's a renewal or of a new passport, a fresh passport. Okay, the next thing you want to do after filling the application step by step is to make a payment online. Now you make that payment using your debit card, your own debit card, because you don't want to have an error while doing this process online, because the website is quite old and, you know, archaic in its style of. Okay, the next thing you want to print out is your acknowledgement slip that will be sent to your email. Okay, now you want to print that out because it's not the same as the payment confirmation. After printing it out, you print out your form as well, and then the next thing you want to do is to book an appointment, so you don't go to the embassy and they send you back home. Depends on wherever you're coming from. You go to the only embassy available for us is 9 Northumberland Avenue in London. So you book an appointment and you choose a date to get your documents submitted, and then you get your biometrics taken as well on that same day. All right, so I've kept it very short and simple, but if you want to see me take you step by step through the process, I will leave a link for my other 2 videos on how to get your passport taken. As you can see, it came to my house and I had only one trip to the embassy. I didn't even need to do fast track. I didn't need to do any other long process, to be honest. It was a very good experience for me, and I'm so happy and grateful because it is Nigeria we're talking about. The experience is always, you know, most times it's negative when you talk about process or trying to get your application done. But make sure you have a full day to go at 8 a.m. in the morning to stand on the queue, so that you're at least one of the first people that gets there and gets attended to with all the documents that you have and with all the documents that I've listed in this description. So thank you guys, I really appreciate you for taking time to watch my videos. Like I said, if you want a step-by-step process, follow the 7-minute and 15-minute videos that I've made already. As I'm a first-time YouTuber, thank you for coming. Like, comment, ask questions, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful evening wherever you are watching this video from.